Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about ninth chapter, Unit 9, Muslim contribution to nature and social science, and our part is medicine. It is started from the House of Wisdom in Baghdad in 830, and the main pioneer of medical field is Ibn Sina, Latin name Avicenna. He write Canon of Medicine. This book is known as very famous in Latin and around the world, and he is known as the Prince of Physician. Okay, keep in mind he is known as the Prince of Physician. And second one is Al-Razi. In Latin they call Rhazes. He write a book about the children's diseases or pediatrics. Okay, Razi died in 1865, and he also explained the smallpox and measles, etc. Okay, and his one of the famous book is Kitab al-Mansuri. He wrote in 10 volume. Okay, and another one is Ibn Nafis. He find the blood circulation in 13th century, and the other advances of Muslims are in surgical field. Okay, and in anesthetized patiently with cannabis and opium. And third one is alcohol, as they use Muslim use alcohol as an antiseptic, and they make a rule in hygienic rule for to prevent diseases. Okay, so we have to discuss about Zahrāwi. In Latin, Zahrāwi known as Abul Qasis, and his famous book is At-Tasrif. He born in Spain, and this book including the volume on surgery. His book is known as the first medical book with a picture of surgical tool, and he is a pathologist, and he described the hydrocephalus and other congenital diseases. He introduced more than 200 surgical tools, and he also introduced al-mishab to crush the bladder stone. Okay, and the Islamic medicines are built by the basis of Greek Roman physicians like Galen, Hippocrates, and Greek scholars in Alexandria. Okay, next one is Al-Razi. He is a Persian physician, chemist, and philosopher and scholar. Okay, Razi lived from 865 to 925. Okay, he first distinguished the measles and smallpox. Okay, keep in mind who is first distinguished measles and smallpox. It is Razi, and he discovered a chemical kerosene and some other chemical items for to cure the diseases, etc. So, and he is the chief physician of the Baghdad and Rai Hospital. Okay, Razi is the chief physician of the Baghdad and Rai Hospital. He believed in experimental medicines, and he is also known as the father of pediatrics, and he wrote book The Disease of Children, first one. Second, other one is Kitab al-Mansuri, and Razi pioneer of ophthalmology also. Okay, he is the first doctor write about the immunology and allergy, and Razi also find the allergical asthma, and he find fever. Fever is the defensive mechanism. He find that the fever is a defensive mechanism in our body, and he introduced a mercurial oil and many devices. He find different devices in spatulas, flask, mortars, and fials, etc. And Razi also believed the mental illness. Okay, another one is Ibn Sina. In Persian they call Avicenna. Ibn Sina born in Persia in Afshana. Okay, he wrote almost about 450 books and articles, and his major two books are Book of Healing and Canon of Medicine. The Canon of Medicine, written in 5 volume, on the 5 volume, it basis from the traditional medicine. Okay, and Ibn Sina is also known as, keep in mind, father of early modern medicine. Ibn Sina is also known as father of early modern medicine. Okay, and Ibn Haytham, other one is Ibn Haytham. He born in 965 and died in 1040. Okay, in Latin he is known as Al-Hazan. He provided a detailed description about the eye anatomy in the book of Ibn Haytham, Books of Optics. Okay, and another one is Ahmad bin Abi al-Ash'as. He is an Iraqian physician. He write about the digestive system. Okay, and another one is Abdul Latif al-Baghdadi. He is an Iraqi physician. He born in 1162 and died in 1231. He write about the musculoskeletal system. Okay, the name jaw. And the another one is Ammar bin Ali al-Mausili, who invented a hollow syringe for to remove the cataract from eye by suction. Okay, and his book is Book of Choice in the Treatment of Eye Disease. The author of this book is Ammar bin Ali al-Mausili. Okay, and another one is the famous Andalusian Abul Qasim Zahrawi. He stitched internally. Using cat guts. And the first, in that century, in that time, the hospital is known as Bimaristan. It is the word from Persia, name house of sick. Okay, the first hospital, keep in mind, the first hospital is in 872 to 844, 872 to 874, the Ahmad bin Tulun Hospital. Okay, and then next the famous one is 12th century Damascus An-Nuri Hospital, built by Nuruddin Zengi. Okay, another one is Cairo. The Cairo have 3 hospitals. The famous one is in the 13th century Al-Mansuri. It built by Al-Mansur al-Qalawun in 1284, and they have different ward in different based on their diseases. Okay, and another one is Ali ibn Isa. He lived in 10th century Baghdad in Iraq. Okay, he wrote most completed book about eye disease. And another one is the Al-Razi, we talked before. He is the first physician. Explain about the reflex action of pupil. Okay, and another one, in that same time, the Moseley invented the technique of suction, removal of cataract using the hollow needle. And now these are the medical field, medicine. Okay, the contribution of in the field of medicine. Okay, so next we have to continue this continuation in the field of herbal. Okay, herbal medicine. First one, Ibn Samajun, who wrote the collection of simples by the classification of plants and their medical property. And another one is Ibn Sina. He listed 142 herbal remedy in his canon of medicine. He is also known as the father of modern botany. He is known as Abu Hanifa Dinwari. He write about the plant in his book and a treatise on plant. Okay, that name is his book name is Treatise on Plant. And Razi lived in 10th century, used the colchium as a drug for the treatment of gout. And herbs were cultivated in the garden. In Spain have several herb gardens. Okay, another one is Ibn Baitar, who lived in Malaga in Spain. His book is Dictionary of Simple Remedies and Foods. It is a pharmacological cyclopedia. He writes in that book 3000 different plants and their medical properties. Okay. Another one is Al-Ghafiqi. His book, The Book of Simple Drugs, is one of the best herbal medicine book. He died in 1165. And another one is Ibn Juljul, who wrote the commentary in 10th century on 900 years old De Materia Medica in Arabic. Okay. And next, the contributions in pharmacy. The contributions in pharmacy spring up in Baghdad or Iraq. The major one is Sabur ibn Sahel in 9th century. He is the first physician to describe a large variety of drugs and remedies for ointment. And another one is Razi, who promote the chemical compound in medicine. And another one is Ibn Sina. He described a 700 preparation and their properties and action and their indications in his books. And fourth one is Al-Kindi, who determined and applied the correct drugs dosage which formed the basis of medical formulary. And fifth one is Al-Zahrawi in Spain in 10th century. He pioneered the preparation of medicine by the sublimation and distillation. Keep in mind, Zahrawi pioneered preparation of medicine by sublimation and distillation. And Zahrawi's book is At-Tasrif. In Latin, the name of that book is Liber Servitors. And it told to how prepare a simple and more complex compound. And he also described in this book preparing substance such as lithard, lead monax, etc. And Abu al-Mansur Muwaffaq, he wrote The Foundation of True Property of Remedies in 10th century. Okay. And another one is Al-Biruni. He write a most valuable one named Book of Pharmacology. It dividing the detailed knowledge about the property of drugs. Okay. And in the field of medical knowledge, the Tunisia is the hotbed of medical knowledge because of pioneering hospital Al-Kairouan. Okay. Ibn Jazzar, his book is The Guide for the Traveler Going to Distant Countries, is the bestseller on medieval bestseller in the medieval land and the Cairo. And he also write about the woman diseases and its treatments. And another one is Al-Azdi, who write a book Kitabul Ma, that means Book of Water. Al-Azdi, also known as Ibn al-Sahabi. He is the first non-alphabetical classification of medical term. Okay, so we have to list based on their order. First one is Ali ibn Sahel Rabban at-Tabiri. He is the first encyclopedia of medicine in Arabic language. Its name is Firdausul Hikuma in 1860. Okay, second one is Muhammad ibn Sa'id at-Tamimi in 1919. He is a Tariq and physician. And third one is Ali ibn Abbas al-Majusi in 1994. And fourth one is Razi. He wrote 4 books. First one is Kitabul Hawi fi Tibb. And second one Kitabul Mansuri. This Kitabul Mansuri dedicated this into Mansur bin Ishaq, who is the governor of Rai. And another one is Kitabul Tibb al-Muluk. And the fourth one is Kitab al-Jadari wal-Hasba. Okay, these are the books of Razi in the field of medicine. Another one is Avicenna, that means Ibn Sina. Okay, these are the contribution in the medical field. Next class we have to discuss about the contribution in mathematical field. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.